People pay about $400 a month to get what you guys get for free on Tradier. Morning. Sorry about that. A couple minutes late here. I was up early this morning too, so let's go in there and put some offers out. Cake calls. I'm gonna offer these at 3:30. So cake September calls 3:30 will be the offer here. Pay $220 for those. ARWR, I'm gonna offer those out. So it looks like some things are up today. So cake 3:30. ARWR. SEP 17s. They're 120, 145. I'm going to offer these at 185. I think 6 of them. So 185. SOSX up a little bit today. Market up again today. Have an offer out in cake. Schlumberger higher, Shell higher. MNRO off yesterday. FIVN. I'm going to offer those out. EH, I'm going to offer that out. EH OCT 22s. That one just keeps going. One offer these at 195 here in EH. So EH 195, I'm going to take that up a nickel here. So EH 195, that is offered out. Beam up a half. That is good for me. Beam SEPT 50 25s. And at 170 level, having a target out at 250. Okay, that is offered out. EH is offered out. Cake is offered out. Baxter up a buck here. ARWR is offered out. ABR, I'm going to offer these out. These are probably going to be wide on the open. ABR, those September 13s, yeah. Those are SEP 13s are 30. So you get SEP 13s and ABR way cheaper than I paid. I don't know why these are so cheap today, but they'll come back here. I'm not really concerned. 52 on those. So I'm offering those out. FIVN, I'm going to offer that out. Chug calls being bought, guys. Keep an eye on chug calls. This Sweet Greens, AUG 20, Sweet Greens, AUG 20s here, guys. Sweet Green, AUG 20s, guys. Sweet Green, AUG 20s. Sweet Green, AUG 20s, guys. And it looks like the meme names are back. So Sweet Green AUG 20s here. I'm going to offer FIVN at 2.25. Offered out. Big winners, MGM, AXGN. AXGN, I took that off yesterday. I didn't see where they were today. AXGN. Yeah, nice profits in that one. DQ, I'm going to look at that one. So SG calls being bought, so option hacker. I've made money in SG. I've lost money in the SG before. 815, 2025, 20 calls for 70 cents. If you're looking something, this might be part of the meme, the meme stocks. So there we go. In in SG, guys. So SG here. I'm going to put some music on. VRI, I'm going to offer these out at 35. So VERI. So SG, guys. SG is the first signal we've seen. Skin trading here. The twos. DHR on fire. UGI up. DQ getting crushed after ripping yesterday. I was looking at those OC 30s. Those are like 80 cents. I would definitely buy those. OC 30s are 135, 185. So no thank you on those. Let me log in my other scanner here. Did I hit any profits yet so far today? I got filled in cake, guys. So another profit here in cake. Filled in cake. More profits in cake. So out of cake, guys, 330 and a 220 yesterday. Let me see that what portfolio that was for. Another winner, guys, in cake. Cheesecake Factory, 70s. I want to see what portfolio that's for. I think it's Alpha Shark Plus, Super Option Plus. Another winner, guys, in cake. In at 220, out at 330. Another winner here in cake, guys. Another winner here in cake. on Superior Option Plus out of cake, guys. Out of cake. So Superior Option Plus overnight, 50% profit. Sell all cake. 919, 2025, 70 calls for 330. Paid 220. Another winner, guys. AK on fire. So another winner here, guys, in cake. Superior Option Plus, guys, in cake. Superior Option Plus in cake. In at 220, out at 330. That's a 50% winner. So Superior Option Plus in cake. Superior Option Plus exit in cake. I'm going to send that out on Insightly. Beams off the highs. ARWR have a target out at 185. Shell higher today. TTE higher, just not up enough. So cake, guys, hitting cake profit targets in cake. Superior Option Plus, another winning trade here, guys, in cake. We have those promos. We have a couple spots left. They're going to be closed today on the closing bell. We have none left in 10 out of 10. We have a couple left in all the other services, but 10 out of 10, I know we're completely sold out. 10 out of 10, we sell out every month. We sell 2 spots, and then we're done. So private targets here in cake. That's another winner here in cake. In at 220, out at 330 in cake. DQ getting destroyed here. So cake, guys, sweet green calls were bought. I'm going to put that on the radar. Sweet green, 720s here. Sweet green starting to move higher here. About to sell EH calls. I'm going to remove this. Baxter higher. EH have a profit off. STNG, I'm going to offer those out at 150. That's starting to get a bid here. That's a 10 out of 10. SEP 50s, I'm going to offer these at 150. Offered at 150 here. So cake taking profit target is going to look at RSI here in a minute. Lemonade trading here. Lemonade. Cake, guys. Profits and cake so far. It's the only thing I've done today. ADRX. Wolf higher again today. SOSX bid. Via V, I'm going to offer these out at 45. Marking 22. I don't know why. I mean, I buy more 15 cents. We go 15 bid. For VIVA for 6 contracts. AVTR higher. Cake off the highs. I sold cake calls, guys. I'm out of cake. Out of the cake. UGI higher. Sweet greens off the highs. ABR of 7 cents. Those are marking kind of funky before. ABR September calls. Sep 13th or a penny bid. I don't know what's going on with ABR. I don't think they had earnings, did they? Do they have earnings? SEP 13s are 16 at 31 right now. It's weird. I'm going to start bidding these up. So 20 bid here. Went 20 bid. They joined me. Now they went 21 bid. I don't know why they're so cheap here. I'm going to go 24 bid. Let's be a little scalp here. So sold and cake, now they're 26.31. You're going to RSI here in a minute. Futures up 17.5. Sold cake so far. That's all I've done so far. Yeah. Now ABR is 28 at 35. It should be worth 35. I don't know what's going on there. Sweet greens I did not take. ARWR have a target offered out, not filled. Now they're 32.35. Weird. ARWR SEP 17s have an offer out at 190. EH have a target at 195. I've not got filled. Any NVAX calls being bought. I'm not taking these. It's option hacker. Buyer of NVAX 818, 88, 2025, 7.5 calls for 92 cents. NVAX calls being bought. Beam off the highs. So cake, 50% winner is all I've done so far. We're going to keep an eye on RSI here in a minute. FFVN down, DQ down. DHR on fire today. It was $6 a day. It was $6 a day. ABR looks like it wants to go up. If you didn't get an ABR yesterday, you want to get into it today, you can. PFGC, that was one I was looking at. September. Oh, these are December 110s. Rivian calls me bought. That is a short squeeze name, guys. Keep an eye on Rivian 15.5. That's another short squeeze name. It's option hacker. Buyer of Rivian. 815. 2025. 15.5 calls for 54 cents in Rivian, guys. Rivian is a short squeeze name. I'm not taking it. Rivian, guys. You can keep an eye on Rivian. That trades a lot. I mean, it's a short squeeze name, but that trades a lot of stock in the day. PGFC. I'm going to go 260 bid on these Dees 110s. I still like these. All right, PFGC. Dees 110s. I'm going to go 260 bid. So Rivian, guys, a lot of stock in the day. It'd be hard to short squeeze a stock that trades. Well, it's only traded 2.5 million shares so far today. AXGN continues to move higher. So Rivian. Campbell Soup, 36 is being bought. Beam up 20 cents. P&L higher again today. SOSX is my biggest position. Beam, they're 115, 165. Again today. EH up again today. RSI, relative strength index. We're doing a scan functionality here. Winner, one scratch. CHPP, AIG probably had earnings. I know Texas had earnings. AIG did not have earnings. So AIG and ADI, guys. So 2 RSI candidates here. 2 RSI candidates, guys. AIG and ADI. So AIG. So if you're an RSI member, you're going to get 2 candidates here. Not official signals yet. Candidates. So AIG and ADI are your candidates here. AIG and ADI. Futures off the highs, announcing that deal with Japan. SOXS on fire. I saw some calls being bought in that one. Haven't taken anything yet today, guys. Nothing new. Just one exit. WMB. More WMB calls trading here. These are the 60s. So next week, 60s and WMB. I'm not taking 2,000 of these trade here. 32 cents. So buyer of WMB. 8/1/2025. 60 calls for 32 cents in WMB. They're buying GoPro calls here. Cake. So I guess in theory that's cutting back on risk. ABR is going up, but calls are not. A couple day trades here. I don't day trade, but I'll give you them. Norwegian. And then Tiva. A couple day trades here. More profits today, guys. We have 2 RSI candidates. We're going to keep an eye on those in about 11 minutes here. EWJ trading here. They look like they're both going to be buys as of here, right now. ARWR off the highs. ASPI moving back here. Baxter up. ABR up 12 cents. I'll be running the room tomorrow. And then knock me down. WU trading here. Nothing doing that one. Being patient so far, guys, today. Being patient so far today. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Future's a little weak here. Futures up 12, taking one profit target, giving an offer out in EH, guys. Close to getting filled here in EH. OC 22s at 195. Got in those at 125. That'd be another winner. Not filled yet. Keeping an eye on those RSIs. Those will be trades here in a minute. Our recall is 31.35. This kind of happened yesterday. I mean, we've had a lot of signals lately. We've had a lot of signals lately. And a lot of winning trades, guys. We haven't had losing trades in a while. So that's good. We had another profit target today. It's like we hang out and then we do make a move. In which direction, we do not know. NVIDIA higher today. DIA, that's the diamond calls being bought. DRS is higher today. Peter Torres sent out 2 signals so far today to his subscribers. You do not get those trades unless you're a subscriber. He's going to keep track of the new portfolio to see if it's up or down. If you guys have any questions about that, you can email evan@alphashark.com. He can help you with your subscription. Just watching the market, guys. Sometimes it's time to be more aggressive. Sometimes it's time to be less aggressive. Today, I'm being less aggressive. Should have hit a profit target here in EH. Look at EH calls. October calls 22, sold at 195. So another winner here, guys. This is an EH, guys. Another winner here. This is an EH. Had 3 winners in the last couple weeks in EH. OCT 22s out at 195. So 2 profit targets so far today. This one is in EH. I actually did that one during a webinar. In at 130, out at 195. Another winner here for Superior Option Plus, guys. On fire. So Superior Option Plus, another exit here. Going to keep an eye on those RSIs. So Superior Options Plus. Exit and EH. Sell all EH. 10, 17, 20, 25, 22 calls for 190. Paid 130. Another winner, guys. Another winner. Can't stop, won't stop. So EH, guys, another winner here. This one in EH. Another winner, this one in EH on Superior Option Plus. So cake and EH, 2 exits. Every time you take an exit, in theory, your risk goes down. You're taking off profits. So EH, guys, another winner here in EH. 2 Superior Option Plus offers, exits. So EH, another winner, guys. EH, another winner here. RSI is closing in about 2 minutes. We're going to keep an eye on those. Guardians do play. What's going on here? So EH, guys, profit targets here in EH. So 2 exits so far today. 2 exits so far today. Futures look a little weak here. Maybe one day they'll talk about this is the Japanese high. Arbor calls 31.35. Lots of profits. RSI closes here in a minute. ASO up a couple pennies. AVTR higher. DQ getting hit. Beam starting to move here. Beam moves $1.25 a day. Sold EH, sold cake so far, guys. Sold EH, sold cake. So another day of profits. iRobot. That's always a short squeeze name. Okay, the RSI has closed here. We're going to have 2 buys, guys, on RSI. If you're an RSI member, you will get these buys. Okay, so 2 RSIs, guys, 2 RSIs today. So 2 entries, 2 exits so far in the first hour of the day. 2 RSIs, guys. 2 RSIs today. We had 2 yesterday, too. So getting a lot of RSIs here, guys. So 2 RSIs today. We had a buy in AIG. That's a day trade only. That was at 78.90. And then a buy in ADI. And that was at 224.40. So 2 RSI buys today, guys. 2 RSI buys today. 2 RSI buys today. We'll keep an eye on those. AIG, and ADI. ADI already starting to get a move. First target's 225.80. First target's 225.80 here. Look at DRS yesterday. Ox 60s. I'm going to go 30 bid here. Kind of watching those yesterday. DRS Ox 60s. I'm going to go 30 bid here. There's 6 contracts. That would be a signal for somebody if it gets filled. So DRS 10, 15, 17, 20, 25, 60 calls for 30 cents, not filled. Target would be 45. So DRS, guys, DRS. Hertz calls being bought. That's going to be another short squeeze name, guys. Next week, 8.5s in Hertz. This is a rocket launcher scanner. And Hertz. SNBR. I like these. These are the 12.5s. Let's look at these. Sleep number. Sleep number, 12.5s. Option sniper. Buyer of SNBR. 8/15, 2025. It's traded 44,000 shares. 12.5 calls for a quarter. Keep an eye on sleep number, guys. Another short squeeze possibility. Sleep number. Sleep number. AK, what's your sleep score? Three good 20s. Look at those. Those up to 85.95. They were bought at 70. 2 entries, 2 exits so far today, guys. 2 entries, 2 exits. And more profits. ADI winner. AIG winner. AIG winner so far. Arbor's starting to move up. They're still at 35. I don't know why they're at 35. Stock's higher, and these calls are actually down money. It's weird. I don't sweat the small things. I can't control what I can't control. We do have education here in about 25 minutes. We'll be talking about superior options today. EH trade is over. STNG starting to get a bid. We like that. Now BB calls being bought. We want to take a flyer and sleep number. UP1s. Up, wheels up. PDD up $5 today. PDD calls hitting a super option scanner, superior option scanner, guys. PDD. Western Union. Western Union 9s trading here. I don't hate these here in Western Union 9s. Traded 2 million shares. Western Union 9s. It's going to be a I don't like 60 cents. Moves 23 cents today. I'm not playing Western Union, guys. Just decided. I do like these. This is the best signal of the day, in my opinion. I'm just not taking it. So this is, in my opinion, the best signal of the day. I'm just not taking it. Traded 2.5 million shares. I always look at ATR. You always want a big ATR. And the ATR of these is like 23 cents. So you need FAR, fast, aggressive, move in the right direction when you buy calls. And that's why I'm not taking this one. AIG winner, ADI winner for RSI. So 4 winners today, no losers. That's all I do for you guys. I just give you winners. 2 ADIs, guys. I'm sorry, 2 RSIs. RSIs. Arbor's starting to move now. Come on, Arbor, you. They're still 32.35. I don't understand this. Is an ATR of 35 cents a day. Arbor Realty Trust. Beam. Come on, Beam. Beam me up, Scotty. 155, 165. Intel's earnings this week. Tesla's earnings today. Google has earnings today. Tesla at the money straddle. The 330 straddle is implying a 332.5 straddle. 40-point move in Tesla, guys. If you like volatility, 13% move implied in Tesla. 13% move implied in Tesla, guys. Google at the money straddle is the $15, and they're implying about a 6% move here. In Tesla and Google earnings, guys, how you trade them. Mark is our earnings guru, so he'll go over the earnings trades probably later today. 2 entries in RSI. Those are both winners. ADI hitting a profit target in ADI. ADA profit target number 1 hit. Can't lose on this trade. Move stop to break even, guys. So ADI, another winner, guys, for RSI, Relative Strength Index. And I'll show you how this looks on the... Yesterday, we had 1 winner and 1 scratch. So another winner here, guys. $32 winners on 46 trades. 33 winners on 46 trades. And I'll show you how it looks on the chart. There's another one. It's been in the, in the back burner for a while, but if you want to add this to your subscription, you can. So what we see here on the RSI, I can't do this on Tradier, unfortunately, because I don't have charts that can do this coding. So we go to Thinkorswim here, and this is ADI. So what we see here in ADI, a bear 15-minute bar. So there's our bear 15-minute bar. There's our bull bar reversal. You buy the close of the bull bar reversal. You buy 224.40. Stop is 50 cents under the low of the day. Profit target is it's half of this distance added to it. So if this is a $3 stop loss, target 1 is 1.5, target 2 is 3. And then we hit target 1. When you hit target 1, you can move your stop to break even. If you move your stop to break even, you cannot lose on that trade. Okay, so that's how it works. We had 2 of them today. Ooh, sleep number. I think I might have to buy some sleep number calls. Let's look at sleep number. It's going to be a high risk, high reward here. Traded 75,000 shares. Oh, I was going to buy them. I would have already hit profit target. SNBR, guys, 25 to 35, 40% winner. Well, Tradier has 0 commissions. So if you want to trade on Tradier, 0 commissions. You don't have to worry about that. Robinhood, 0 commissions. It all depends on what broker you trade on. That's part of doing the cost of business. ASO higher today. FIVN higher today. We have a profit target in that one. On those OT calls, I'm at 2.25. KSS, let's see what that's doing today. 12.20 down 2.15. Oops. So 2 RSIs, guys. 2 RSI relative strength index. Starbucks puts trading here if you're looking for something on the put side. I don't do a lot of puts. I don't do a lot of puts. So rocket launch scanner. Starbucks, guys. NTR calls. I do like NTR. I just don't want to play weekly calls. I've done really well not trading weekly calls. So if you guys want to take these, good luck to you, as I say. So NTR, guys. NTR. IP, International Paper. Ooh, those are fun. Big buyer of odd calls here. 5,000 trade here in IP. Wow. They have earnings next week, but I can trade them before earnings. Looking at IP, guys, the 56s here. I'd pay 110. International Paper, guys, and then I would probably take those off into earnings. 110 bid here. This would be a signal for someone. Any down $3. Thank God I got out of any October calls. I always like to take stuff off before earnings. So I am filled here in IP, guys. IP filled. I will have to take this off next week because I don't like holding positions into earnings. IP, International Paper. Someone's about to get a signal. Let me see who I want to send the signal out to. IP, guys. International Paper. Who has not got a trade in a while? Alpha Shark. I think we got an Alpha Shark signal. IP, guys. IP will be a signal for somebody. I'm just seeing what portfolio I need to send this out to. We had an ARWR. I think we're going to do Superior Option Plus or Alpha Shark Plus. Whatever has had less signals this week. Hershey for Superior Option Plus. So we're covered on those. IP, guys. International Paper. ADI going up. AIG going up. We'll do Alpha Shark Plus has 2. Pure Option Plus has 2. We'll do Alpha Shark Plus, guys, in IP. So new signal, guys, for Alpha Shark Plus and international paper. I will take this off before earnings, though. IP, 56 calls. The buy is 110. So new signal, guys. Alpha Shark Plus. Thankfully, we took off NE before earnings. So international paper, Alpha Shark Plus, getting a signal. A lot of signals this week. A lot of winners this week, guys. So IP, guys, international paper. International paper. 5,000 trade here. Here's a free trade for you guys. AK's in a good mood today. I always try to be in a good mood. A lot of time I'm not in a good mood when it's late at night. I'm just tired. So IP, guys, international paper. And I will take this off before earnings, guys, so I have to keep an eye on that for earnings. I took NEE off before earnings. That one got slabbered. So international paper, new buy. So recap of today: EH profits, cake profits, IP new entry, RSI entry in ADI winner, entry in AIG winner. So a nice day today again. I don't know if we hit profit targets. ADI did not hit profit target 2 yet. And I was going to buy SNBR and I messed that one up. Come on, AK. How do you mess that up? Run 14's trading here small. International paper. Only thing I'm mad about is that I did not take SNBR, because that would have been a 40% winner. SNBR would have been a 40% winner, guys. It's the only thing I'm mad about. Only thing I'm mad about is SNBR. Damn it. Could have got in at 25 out of 35. 40%. Arbor breaking out. September calls are still at 35. I don't know who's at 35. You're an idiot. You are an idiot. The delta of these are 32. Where'd this thing go? Weird. Beam. Beam me up, Scotty. Beam get in a bid. Is it 155.65? ADI, profit target 2 hit, guys. Profit target 2 hit in ADI. So another winner here, guys, in ADI. ADI, guys, another winner here. I don't even know what PFGC does. These are 260 ads. ADI, guys, trade is over. Another winner here in ADI and RSI, relative strength index. 227.30. Can't stop, won't stop, AK. LBRT. No thank you. No thank you. Home Depot calls being bought. Sting higher. I have those offered at 150. They're 105, 135. The ABR calls, they're still 10 at 35. They should be worth, I would say, about 45 cents right now. I don't know why the volatility is coming down in these so much. It could just be a one-day thing. I don't know. We have education here in about 9 minutes. So, Piotr, I'm going to take a 30-minute, like 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Went over super options. Get that 35 out of there. Bumble. That could be a short squeeze. ARW are on fire here. Did I sell these yet? Best offer in the world here in ARWR, guys. Actually, 185. ARWR getting a bid. ARWR getting a bid. SEP 17s. They're set. Oh, here they are. 155, 180. So about to sell ARWR, guys. ARWR, guys. Taking a profit target in ARWR. ARWR, guys, about to hit a profit target. They're at 180. I'm at 185. I got in those at 125. That is not my offer at 180. I'll tell you that. Dow. Pre-earnings, guys. We want to take something in earnings. We can take bull call spreads in Dow. Rocket launch scanner here in Dow. So a recap of today, 2 profit targets in Superior Option Plus and Superior Option Plus, 2 RSIs, 2 winners, and 1 new entry in Alpha Shark Plus. And that is what we've done today. EH is over. Beam. Come on, Beam. I know you want to break to the upside. I know ARWR wants to break to the upside. Beam. Ugh, 155, 160. Those should be worth more. HBM. I don't even know what that stock does. Hud Bay Minerals. Tesla with earnings after the bell. Google with earnings after the bell. 5 more minutes with AK. If you guys are part of Tradier, we do usually sell this for $3.99 a month. So consider yourself lucky to get this for free. ARMN. Let's look at those. Aris Mining. No thank you. ARMN, 9/19, 2025. 10 calls, trading 25 cents. No thank you. FIVN close to any profit target in that one. I'm at 2.25 here. Not filled yet. They're $192. Mara puts trading here. I haven't looked at crypto in a couple days. AIG moving up. AIG take off after the first 2 hours of the day. Keep an eye on Baxter calls. 55.75. Mara short stock restricted. 4 minutes to play, guys. We have education, but my GoToWebinar is not loading for some reason. I don't know why GoToWebinar is not working. There it is. I'll take probably like a 5-minute break and then we'll go. STNG at 150. ARWR higher. Lucid higher today. Sweet Green's higher. Arbor up 25 cents. 12.11's a high of the day. Beam up 83 cents. So in about 2 minutes, I'll take about a 5-minute break here, and then I'll go through our next educational portion, which is Super Option Plus, what it is, why I trade it, the performance year to date. ASPN trading here. ARWR. Come on. I only traded 600,000 shares so far today. Planeteer down in the day. AXGN higher. Another winner. AEO. FMVN have a target offered out of 2.25. Wolf. PFC GC is probably the calls should be going up. December 273.50. All right, guys. So that's my portion of the day. I am going to be running education here. So Piotr, just let me have it for the next about 20 minutes, and he can take over. Give me about 5 minutes break to stretch my legs. If you're part of the Tradier community here, hope you enjoy the session. Like I said, we do sell that for $3.99 a month for the trading room, but with Tradier, you get it 100% free for now. So I will see everybody back in a little while. Thanks, everyone.
You know how the financial world goes. Here comes the buzzkill. Please make sure to take some time to read this boring disclaimer. We will owe you one.